Welcome back to the Practical AI Strategist podcast. Today we talk about the future of tech roles. If you're leading a tech organization right now and you haven't rethought what your engineers, scientists, and data teams are actually for, this episode is for you. Because the roles we've relied on for the last 20 years, they're not disappearing, but they're changing fast. And most companies are wildly unprepared. Let's talk about what's actually happening and what you should do about it. Here's something almost funny in hindsight. In 2015, every company was racing to hire data scientists. SQL was a superpower. Dashboards were the new currency. By 2018, it swung to ML engineers. Deep learning was exploding. Everyone needed model pipelines. Then came the applied scientist era. Then the prompt engineer, which, let's be honest, lasted about as long as the avocado toast discourse. And now, in 2026, if you look at job postings, there are almost no data scientist openings. The role looks like a relic. Here's the pattern. Tech roles have always evolved with the technology. What's different now is the speed. The half-life of a technical role used to be 10 to 15 years. Now it's 3 to 5. So, what's actually happening to your teams? The SDE role is splitting in two. You've got the AI-accelerated engineer, still writes code, but less of it. Their value shifts from typing to thinking, architecture, system design, validating what AI generates. Coding becomes the means, not the job. And then you have the AI native engineer, the one building the systems that use AI, retrieval pipelines, agentic workflows, guardrails, and monitoring. This is the fastest growing engineering role of the next decade. For scientists, the shift is even bigger. Very few teams are training models from scratch anymore. That's Anthropic and OpenAI territory. Even fine-tuning is becoming a last resort. Your scientists are now users of foundational models. Their job becomes defining the problem, designing the evaluation strategy, and stress testing outputs against reality. The bottom line is, technical roles are becoming sense-making roles. Less execution, more judgment. So, what should leaders do? Here's the uncomfortable truth for leaders. You can't hire your way out of this. The talent you need tomorrow is mostly sitting in your organization today, just trained differently. So, what do you invest in? Engineers who understand how AI behaves, not just how to write code. Evaluation and safety roles, the fastest growing category in tech right now. Workflow designers who can rebuild processes around AI. And hybrid roles. Engineering plus product, science plus operations, data plus workflow. If your company doesn't have an AI upskilling program, that's your most urgent strategic gap. Not a model, not a tool, people. If you want a short list of skills with a 10-year half-life, here it is. Problem framing, system design, evaluation and validation, which is the new quality, the new safety, workflow thinking, data literacy, critical thinking, and the ability to translate AI's role to non-technical stakeholders. Notice what's not on that list. Any specific stack, any specific tool. These skills transfer across Python, Java, no-code platforms, whatever comes next. The future isn't that tech roles disappear. It's that they evolve. SDEs become system designers. Scientists become evaluators. QA becomes AI safety. PMs become workflow architects. The work becomes more human, not less. The companies that understand this will win. The ones that cling to old role definitions will be left behind. That's it for today. If this resonated, share it with someone on your leadership team who needs to hear it. See you next episode.